Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Plasma TV stand is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components when setting up your home entertainment system, serving not just as a functional base for your television but also as a stylish centerpiece that can elevate the entire aesthetic of your living space. A well-chosen stand can provide essential storage for your media consoles, gaming devices, and soundbars, while also ensuring optimal viewing angles and proper ventilation to protect your valuable electronics from overheating. With a plethora of designs, materials, and features available on the market, selecting the perfect stand requires careful consideration to ensure it seamlessly integrates with your existing decor and meets all your practical needs for a truly immersive and organized viewing experience. Number 5. Rfiver Universal Swivel TV Stand. This stand is designed to fit a wide range of TVs, from 27 to 60 inches. It supports various visa patterns and is compatible with all major TV types, ensuring a perfect fit for your existing or new television. Built with heavy-duty steel and a thick tempered glass base, this stand offers exceptional stability and safety. It can hold up to 88 pounds, providing a secure and reliable platform for your TV. Easily adjust the height across 6 levels, ranging from 18.5 to 24.4 inches. This allows you to position your TV at the perfect eye level for a more comfortable and enjoyable viewing experience. Enjoy a better viewing experience with the 30-degree swivel function. You can easily adjust the angle to reduce glare and neck strain, ensuring a comfortable view from anywhere in the room. Keep your entertainment area neat and organized with the integrated cable management system. It effectively conceals wires and cables, maintaining a clean and clutter-free look. Setting up this stand is a breeze. With clear instructions and a straightforward design, you can have your TV mounted and ready in no time. What we like. This stand offers excellent adjustability with multiple height levels and a 30-degree swivel for the perfect viewing angle. It also features a sturdy tempered glass base for added safety and style. If you're looking for a versatile stand that can adapt to different viewing positions and reduce glare, this is a great choice. What people say. This TV stand has a sleek and modern design that complements my living room. The stand is very sturdy and holds my 65-inch TV securely without any wobbling. Assembly was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. Number 4. TAVR Universal Tabletop TV Stand Mount. Tired of your TV being too low or too high? Our universal TV stand offers a perfect solution for most 27 to 65-inch TVs. It's designed to fit a wide range of visa patterns, ensuring compatibility with your existing or new screen. Your family's safety is paramount. This stand is built with heavy-duty alloy steel, capable of supporting up to 88 pounds. The non-slip feet protect your TV and furniture, providing a stable and secure setup. Achieve the perfect viewing angle with our adjustable height feature. With 3 levels of adjustment, you can easily set your TV at eye level for a more comfortable and immersive experience. Say goodbye to wall drilling. This stand offers a flexible and space-saving solution, allowing you to place your TV anywhere you like. Its detachable parts make it adaptable even for smaller TVs and tight spaces. Setting up your new TV stand is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions, allowing for assembly in under 5 minutes. Our customer support is also ready to assist if you have any questions. What we like. This option boasts impressive visa compatibility, fitting a wide range of TV sizes and types. It prioritizes safety with a robust steel construction and anti-slip feet. If you need a reliable and secure stand that can accommodate a large TV and offers a compact footprint, this is the one to consider. What people say. The stand has a sleek, modern design that complements any living room. It offers ample storage space for all your media devices and accessories. The cable management system keeps wires tidy and out of sight. Number 3. Rfiver Universal Tabletop TV Stand. This universal TV stand is designed to fit most 27 to 60-inch TVs, whether they are LED, OLED, plasma, or 4K smart TVs. Its sturdy construction ensures it can securely hold your screen while complementing any room in your home. Customize your viewing experience with 6 adjustable height settings. The spacious base not only supports your TV but also provides room for additional devices like speakers or streaming boxes, creating a neat entertainment hub. Crafted from reinforced tempered glass, this stand offers superior impact and pressure resistance for maximum safety. Its sleek black design and non-slip feet add a touch of modern elegance to your space. Built with premium steel and a reinforced center rod, it provides exceptional stability and a low center of gravity to prevent tilting. With an 88 pounds capacity and a safety lock, it ensures your TV stays securely in place. Setting up this TV stand is a breeze thanks to the included easy-to-follow instructions and all necessary fittings. Best of all, it requires no drilling into your walls, making installation simple and damage-free. What we like. Featuring a premium tempered glass base and multiple height settings, this stand provides both stability and customization. The generous base platform is perfect for housing additional devices like speakers or streaming boxes. If you want an entertainment center upgrade that combines modern aesthetics with practical storage, this stand is ideal. What people say. The stand has a sleek and modern design that complements my living room. It offers ample storage space for my gaming consoles and media accessories. The cable management system keeps all the wires tidy and out of sight. Number 2. TAVR Universal Tabletop TV Stand Mount. This stand is designed to fit most TVs from 20 to 75 inches, regardless of brand. Just check your TV's visa pattern and weight capacity to ensure a perfect match. Constructed from sturdy steel, it boasts a super loading capacity of up to 110 pounds. Its anti-slip feet ensure your TV stays securely in place, creating a safer viewing experience. Forget complicated wall mounts. This stand can be set up in under 5 minutes with the included parts and manual. It's a great replacement for lost or broken TV legs. Perfect for smaller spaces, this stand won't take up unnecessary room. Its sleek black matte finish complements any decor, offering a stylish alternative to wall mounting. Choose the best fit for your TV with 2 flexible installation modes. This stand offers both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality for your home. Everything you need is in the box, including all necessary accessories and an installation manual. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. What we like. This stand stands out with its exceptional load capacity, supporting up to 110 pounds, and offers the flexibility of 2 installation modes. It also includes convenient cable management to keep your setup tidy. If you have a heavier TV or need a highly adaptable stand that can be configured to your specific needs, this is a robust solution. What people say. The stand has a sleek and modern design that complements my living room. It's very sturdy and holds my large plasma TV securely without any wobbling. The ample storage space is perfect for my gaming consoles and soundbar. Number 1. BONTEC Rolling TV Stand for 23 to 65-inch TVs. This stand is designed to fit most TVs from 23 to 65 inches. It supports various visa patterns and weights, ensuring broad compatibility for your home, office, or school. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this mobile TV stand offers a stable and durable base. Safety screws are included to enhance stability, even in busy environments. Easily adjust the height of the mount and the media shelf for optimal viewing angles and reduced glare. Integrated cable management keeps your setup tidy. The adjustable shelf is perfect for holding laptops, gaming consoles, or DVD players. Its smooth surface is easy to clean, maintaining a neat appearance. Featuring smooth wheels and locking brakes, this rolling TV stand allows for effortless movement and secure positioning. It's perfect for various indoor and outdoor applications. Whether for home, office, school, or events, this stand offers flexibility. It's a great alternative to fixed mounts, adapting easily to different spaces. What we like. This stand is designed for ultimate mobility, featuring locking wheels for easy movement and secure positioning. It also includes an adjustable media shelf for convenient storage of accessories. If you need a TV stand that can be easily moved between rooms or used for presentations and events, this rolling option offers unparalleled flexibility. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold my 65-inch TV without any issues. I love the sleek design and the ample storage space for my gaming consoles and soundbar. Assembly was straightforward, and all the parts were included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.